My name is Shinda Sharan. My register number is UR15CS356. So the aim of this program is to implement hashing using a collision resolution techniques. So first off, I've declared a header file hashing for IOStream along with the header using namespace std. Now I've declared an integer variable, an array of size 5, and along with certain variables which will be required in the later part of the program. Now I've declared a function called insert data, which is used to insert the elements inside the hash table, within which I've declared a integer variable called data. Now, since here globally we have declared a variable p is equal to data, which is the element which we are going to get from the user, mod 5. 5 is the array size. So the remainder which is gotten from this is equal to p. Now, if we have used the if condition where the array of size p is equal to minus 1. If this condition is true, then the array of size p is equal to the data which we have entered, and the output is given as data is inserted. Else, if this condition does not work, we have used the for condition where an integer I is equated to p, which is data mod 5, uh, p plus 1 mod 5, and if I is not equal to p, I is equated to I plus 1 mod 5. This condition is satisfied, and along with the if condition where array of size I, that is p plus I, p plus 1 mod 5 is equated to minus 1, and a of I is equated to data. Now we've used another if condition. If I is equated to p, if it is equal, then the hash table is full. Next, we use a function display where the condition I is equated to 0 and I less than 5 I plus plus. This condition is satisfied, then array of I is displayed. Next is search function. Under search function, we have declared an integer called data. And the same that is p is equated to the data mod 5. Now we have used if condition where if array of p is equal to data. If this condition is true, then output is given to 2 and it is returned to p. Now previously, as we can see, we have declared another variable called y. We are using it here in a for loop where y is equal to p plus 1 mod 5. Array of y is not equal to minus 1 and y is equal to y plus 1 mod 5. If a of y is equal to data, then the output is given to y and the program is returned to y. And the output is given as the data is found at the position y. Um, if a of y is not equal to p, if a of I is not equal to p, then an output of a minus 1 is returned, and finally is returned to minus 1. Next, we have declared an integer. Next, we have declared a main function where choice and data of type integer data are declared. Now, here we use the for loop where int I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. If this condition is satisfied, then array of I is equal to minus 1. Now, we've used a Now here we are getting the input from the user, that is the choices which are to be done, that is insert, display, search, whichever function the user wants. Now we use a switch case and called it as choice. So the case 1 calls the insert data function, case 2 calls the display function, and case 3 calls the search data function. Now once I run the program, I get an output as such as this. So first enter your choice is given. So if I give 1, I enter the data 5. So similarly I do it 4 to 5 times so that I keep on inserting different elements and keep on inserting different elements. Okay. Now, after inserting the elements, I have given the choice as 2, which is display. So once display is given, all the elements which I had given earlier are displayed here. Now this minus 1 is the position where no element is inserted because the space is empty. Since it's empty, it is displayed as minus 1. Next, enter your choice. I've given as 3. So the element to be searched, I've given as 17, which is already in the hash table. So now when I give the data to be searched as 17, the position is shown as 2. Since we start from 0, 1, 2, the position 17 is found at the position 2. This is my program, and thank you.